Hi, I'm Delina, another clinical nutritionist, working to bring you a great breakfast idea or post-workout snack. The reason it's a great post-workout snack is that we have some bananas in there for a carbohydrate, which helps come up into the muscle, fueling the muscle for tomorrow's workout. We also have protein, which is important for rebuilding the damage that we do to our muscles when we exercise, and protein also helps the carbohydrate upload into the muscle. Cinnamon's there as just a flavour enhancer, and we're going to cook with some coconut oil when we cook the pancakes. We blend it all up to create that batter. And here's our finished product of the banana pancakes, which we've served with coconut yogurt, or you can use normal yogurt, and some berries, some raspberries and blueberries, which are really high in antioxidants, which go in and clean up any free radical damage that we've done to our bodies. Enjoy.